Did you know that a scrunchie is much gentler on your hair than an elastic band? A soft velvet scrunchie helps reduce pulling, breakage, and feels comfortable to wear. Hello crochet community, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet videos. Before we begin, these are the 5 materials that you will need. A 6mm crochet hook. I like to call it our magic wand because it's the tool that brings our yarn to life. I prefer an aluminium hook as it helps to glide the yarn effortlessly and faster than a plastic hook. Number 2, a large yarn needle for sewing in the tails at the end. 3, a stitch marker, optional but very helpful for beginners. 4, 1 stretchy elastic hairband. 5, 2 colors of velvet plush yarn. Okay, so hold your magic wand with your dominant hand. Place your thumb and index finger on the flat grip where the little dent is. This gives you good control while you crochet. The first thing we're going to learn is the slip knot. This is the very first loop that goes onto your magic wand. Hold your magic wand in your dominant hand with the head of the hook facing towards you. Bring the tail over the long strand to make an X. Scoop the long strand through the loop. Gently pull both ends of the yarn until the loop sits neatly on your magic wand. Well done! You've made your very first slip knot. Round 1. Single crochet around the elastic. I just want to let you know that you should not worry if your first few stitches don't look perfect. Every crocheter starts exactly where you are, and your hands will become more comfortable with practice. Insert your magic wand through the middle of the elastic band and scoop the long strand of yarn. Pull it through the elastic. You now have 2 scoops on your magic wand. Scoop the yarn again and pull it through both loops. Well done! You've made your first single crochet. That is your first stitch. Repeat these same steps all the way around the elastic. As you crochet, gently slide your stitches together to make room for more. Keep adding single crochets until the elastic is completely covered. You shouldn't be able to see the elastic through the stitches. Now we are going to close round 1. Find the first single crochet that you made. Insert your magic wand into that stitch. Scoop the yarn and pull it through the stitch and the loop already on your magic wand. You've made a slip stitch, which joins the round together. Congratulations! Round 1 is complete. Round 2. This is your last round. Let's add our second color. Cut the working yarn from our first color. Insert your magic wand into the first single crochet of round 1. Place the new yarn over the magic wand. Scoop the new yarn and pull it through the stitch and the loop on your magic wand. Your new color is now attached. This time, work 1 single crochet into every stitch all the way around the scrunchie. Repeat this in every stitch until you reach the beginning of the round. To finish, insert your magic wand into the first single crochet of the round. Scoop the yarn and pull it through both loops to make a slip stitch. Well done! You've finished round 2. We're almost done. Now let's sew in our yarn tails. Thread 1 yarn tail through your yarn needle. Sew the tail through a few stitches of the same color of your scrunchie. Change direction every other time as you sew. This helps lock the yarn in place so it doesn't come loose. Once the tail feels secure, trim away any extra yarn. And that's it! You've made your very own velvet scrunchie. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep in mind that every expert crocheter was once a beginner. Always be patient with yourself, keep practicing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of getting there. I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like or a comment and a subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. I will see you in the next one if you subscribe. Happy crocheting!